Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into cars, DIY diagnostics, or saving money on repair shop visits, today's video is for you. We're taking an in-depth look at the Foxwell NT614 Elite OBD2 diagnostic scanner, what it does, how it works, and whether it's worth your money. Let's dive in. The Foxwell NT614 Elite is a handheld automotive diagnostic tool designed for vehicle owners, DIYers, and mechanics. It allows you to read and clear trouble codes, view live data, and perform advanced maintenance functions, all without a trip to the mechanic. This OBD2 functions. The NT614 Elite delivers complete OBD2 functionality, including reading and clearing fault codes, accessing live data and data streams, checking IM readiness status, viewing freeze frame data, performing O2 sensor and onboard monitor tests, retrieving vehicle information, and running component tests. Helps vehicle owners gain a complete understanding of their battery's condition by evaluating remaining battery life, testing starting and charging system performance, identifying potential faults, and offering clear maintenance and replacement recommendations. Specifically designed for the engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems, it enables vehicle owners to quickly diagnose issues and clear trouble codes across these key systems. Helps to remove air from the brake system's hydraulic control unit, brake lines, and other parts, improve braking system performance, and ensure that your vehicle maintains safe driving conditions. Steering angle reset identifies the true zero position of the steering wheel when the vehicle is driving straight. Using this reference point, the ECU can accurately calculate steering angles during left and right turns. This device clears incorrect steering angle sensor data and recalibrates the sensor, playing a crucial role in precise steering angle sensor calibration. A throttle body relearn is necessary to restore proper idle speed after replacing the electronic throttle body, disconnecting the battery, or clearing the check engine light. Without relearning, the vehicle may experience low, high, or unstable idle, engine stalling, or stalling when coming to a stop at traffic lights. In some cases, the check engine light may illuminate with idle speed-related trouble codes. After an engine oil change or replacement of oil life monitoring components, the maintenance interval needs to be reset to zero. This turns off the oil maintenance warning light and allows the system to begin a new service cycle. The Foxwell NT614 Elite OBD2 diagnostic scanner performs this reset quickly and accurately, helping ensure your vehicle's engine remains properly maintained and in optimal health, including brake control system activation, deactivation, fluid bleeding, pad opening, closing, and brake setting after disc or pad replacement on vehicles with electronic brake systems. Lifetime free update and print the report. NT614 Elite support lifetime free update, and connecting the computer to gain the report and then print the report. In our opinion, the Foxwell NT614 Elite is one of the most capable, affordable OBD2 scanners you can buy. Whether you're clearing a check engine light or performing an ABS bleeding procedure, this tool covers a lot of ground. Thanks for watching.